This is Frank. Hi, Frank. He works in the shipping department of his company. An order came in today for a shipment to his friend Lucy. How's he going to fill out the order without any details? Okay, let's check that work order again. What should he be looking for? Oh yes, she wants a new office chair like this one. Uh-oh, Frank's never shipped an office chair before. Where should he start looking? Thank goodness, the order says the chair is at the back of the room. He heads back there and finds the chairs on the second shelf. But poor Frank still doesn't know what color she wants. Oh dear. He makes a quick call over to sales to find out what the rest of the information is about the order. Frank finds out that she wants a green chair. That's color number 3, the third column from the left side of the shelf. He heads over with the big forklift and finds the box with all the green chairs in it. He gets one out and bundles it up for Lucy. It's all ready to go. It sure packs up small, doesn't it? And Lucy's really happy with her new chair. Frank wants everything on the order next time so he doesn't have to make any phone calls. He needs to know what to look for, where to look, and then the details about the order too. He even puts together a presentation explaining what he needs and then how that translates into Excel. He explains that in Excel, this is what the VLOOKUP function needs too. As you see, the VLOOKUP function needs the same things. Bye, Frank. Thanks a lot for your help.